Hello guys, Trade Crypto Pump. Today I am up $113,000. Yes, over 1000%. If you remember my last video, I spoke about Moonriver and we made 500% trade this coin right here. But today, let's talk about my coin I spoke on my last video. Let's talk about Solana. Let's take a look at this video clip a little bit. Volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give this example here. Solana, the volume spike today is 147%. Let's check it's true. Take a look at the volume, $4.5 billion. Let's go. Solana up here. So okay, at the point I said the volume spike 143%. Pay attention on the price. I'm talking about $94 for one coin at Solana. Okay, let's go. Solana volume right now 3.8 billion. Okay, but pay attention this. Volume yesterday at 20 was 1.9 billion dollars. Today is hit 4.5 billion. So there's the volume spike right here. Clearly volume spike between December 20 and December 21. Let's talk about the charts today. This was the volume spike right here between December 20 and 21. What happened after the volume spike? Price went up to $125 and talk about 30% profit. That's amazing returns, guys. Guys, coins I share in the private list on the last 4 days are Kusama Solana, BarnBridge, Tap Fantasy, Moonriver, Perpetual Protocol. Guys, it's all about to surf the wave on the right time. That's what my software does. My software pick the move. My software can tell me which coin is gonna pump. Let me give another example here. This coin right here. Pay attention this. Perpetual Protocol, guys. And we are up 70% profit. I shared this trade at the private list on December 23. Bought this coin for 80 cents. And put a sell order up here. Daily resistance $1.40. I made $7,000 this coin. Let's take the charts. Let's see the volume spike on this coin right here. Take a look at this. Perpetual Protocol. This is the more important thing today, guys. 24 hours trade volume. $255 million, my friend. That's ridiculous. Guys, I just made $113,000. Pay attention to this. December 20, the volume of this coin was 9.5 million. December 21, the volume pumped to $38 million. The volume spike before the price pump, guys. That's the wave we were looking for. You buy here to sell here. Okay, let's go to another example here. Let's go to BarnBridge. Okay, let's go here. Boom, BarnBridge right there. Pay attention to this. We made 80% profit. I made $8,000 this coin. Shared this trade in the private list right here. At December 23, we bought this coin for $3.80 and put a sell order right here, $7, over 80%. Let's go to the charts. Let's make sure this coin pump, the volume pump before the pump. Pay attention to the rank this coin, 595. Pay attention on the 24 hours trading volume, $65 million. Let's go down. Here we go, guys. December 2022, the volume of this coin was 6.5 million. December 22, $15 million. And they spiked the volume hit above $336 million. Guys, I just made $113,000. You can make the same profits I do. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Add your email on the private list. Okay. Also, we can trade for you, and you're gonna make 25% return of investment per week. Feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.